Hi, in this video I will tell you about a very important feeding of currants, which must be carried out after flowering. And this must be done if you want to get a large berry, as well as very sweet and delicious. Since it is from this top dressing that the size of the berry and the actual volume of the harvest will depend. The first thing you need to do before fertilizing is of course to water your currants abundantly. I pour 5 quarts of water under each bush. You see my currant is mulched, and I advise you to do this, the moisture is retained longer. And now we actually proceed to the preparation of top dressing. Many people know this remedy, I talk about it quite often on my channel, and I use it not only for currants, but for germination of seeds, for fertilizing seedlings. And also for currants, this remedy is simply irreplaceable, especially in this phase of growth. And this is potassium humate, the manufacturer of potassium humate that I have. It produces packages with a volume of 35 milliliters, which I now use, and it also produces 1 quart in a container. Dosing from such a volume is very simple. The volume of 1 lid is equal to 15 milliliters, respectively, 2.5 caps, or 3 tablespoons per 10 quarts of water, and we get the right dosage. And it is better to use this top dressing immediately, it cannot be stored for more than a day. And under each currant bush I pour 3 quarts of ready-made top dressing. That will be enough. I have tried many manufacturers, and I can say that if you buy is not the cheapest. And it is even better to buy potassium humate plus trace elements, then the company does not matter. The main thing is to look at the release date and expiration date, so I will not advise you about the company in your local stores, they will help you choose high-quality potassium humate. And by introducing potassium humate under the currant after flowering, we provide the bushes with full nutrition, which will primarily be aimed at enlarging the berries. Also, this top dressing helps to form more young growth. Well, actually the bushes themselves will be transformed after such feeding. They will become more lush and green. Well, this top dressing is the penultimate, which means that it remains to feed the currant again just a couple of weeks before the berries ripen. And it will be needed in order for the berry to gain more sugar, so be sure to stay on my channel. Do not miss the release of new videos. I wish you large harvests and a good day. See you in the new videos.